In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select the main blog feed section in your Wix editor using Chrome. To get started, open Chrome and launch your Wix editor tracking console so you're inside the site editing workspace and ready to make changes. Before clicking anything, give the editor a moment to fully load. This helps make sure all panels, page layers, and editable sections are visible and responsive, which can save time and prevent misclicks. Once you're in the editor, look for the Pages and Menu panel shortcut. This is the tool you'll use to quickly move between the different pages on your site. Open that panel and find your blog page in the list. Then select it so the editor switches from your current page to the blog page. If your site has multiple pages with similar names, take an extra second to confirm you're opening the correct one. That's especially helpful if you're working on a larger site with drafts, duplicated layouts, or hidden pages. After the blog page loads in the canvas, move your cursor into the main content area of the page. What you're looking for is the primary blog feed section, the part of the page that displays the collection of blog posts. Click directly on the main blog feed section content container grid area. Be sure to click inside the actual grid area rather than on surrounding empty space, a nearby strip, or another overlapping element. This matters because the editor can contain nested sections, and clicking the wrong layer may select a parent container instead of the feed area you want to work with. When the correct area is selected, you should see the visual selection indicators appear around that content container. That confirms you've targeted the main blog feed section itself. If you don't see the expected highlight, simply click again more carefully within the grid area until the right element is selected. A useful tip here is to work slowly and watch the editor feedback closely. Small changes in cursor position can affect which layer gets selected, especially in structured layouts like blog pages. Zooming your browser in slightly can also make selection easier if the grid area feels tight or crowded. And that's it. You've opened the blog page from the Pages and Menu panel and selected the main blog feed section content container grid area in the Wix editor using Chrome.